This is the reliable Shacman F3000 8 for dump truck. It is powered by a durable HI engine with strong torque. The reinforced frame and heavy-duty rear axles support heavy load transport on mine and rough roads. It adopts full hydraulic lifting system for fast unloading. The practical cabin brings comfortable driving experience, easy to get spare parts and long service life. Make it your trustworthy option for construction projects. Contact me for more details.